Guys, let's go, let's go. Good morning. Let's go. Tell me, how are you feeling? Nervous?
It's a real feeling.
है ना? Guys, we are finally going for the trip. Let's have something. I'm so hungry. Guys, कुछ खाते हैं please. Are you excited? Very, very much.
Are you excited?
Yes. Touchdown. Doraemon. Going down, 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 down. Oh my god. Oh, base number 83. Why do you push me like that? สวัสดีค่ะ ขอบคุณมากค่ะ สวัสดี สวัสดี สบายดีไหมคะ
Favorite.
Hey, we have finally reached. Yeah, easily. जैसे कि थोड़ा बीची एरिया सब में वो स्कूटर बाइक सब नहीं चलाते हैं, वो सब भी तो लाइसेंस होने से होगा ना, तो लाइसेंस लेना होगा। 7-Eleven first,
Second.
first क्लियर भी नहीं है। My nails for Thailand.
Well,
पता नहीं
because
forex
we have
तो
to pay for the wall, so they can.
isn't this pretty?
Show me your app ones.
Oh,
Bro, it's quite
the window is tinted. That's why it's clear outside. I mean, नहीं थोड़ा तो cloudy है.
Yeah, but
But it's not as cloudy as it's looking from this tinted window.
yeah, it's a different way.
I still can't believe I'm in Bangkok.
Even me, it's still not hit me. No, but thoda it's hitting because you can hear people speaking in Thai.
Yeah,
Like that's literally
reality
literally
check.
music to my ears.
Music. OMG guys, this car is so good. It's like Uber Black version, Thai version. A whole new world.
It's about to rain or what?
Na 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 na. Pizza. Ah! Finally, we have reached. Thank you. Great car ride. Thank you. We have reached our Airbnb finally after a damn long ride. Yeah. Let's go.
कहाँ से घुसते हैं?
Excitement हो गया. Oh. It's almost dark now. Let's check in and see what kind of place we are staying at. Ooh. 9807 and Wi-Fi ID is also there. Yay, chalo. We got our key.
Check out आगे जो मैं model के इन सूची को मैं changing into switch model.
Okay, Onni.
Oh my God, is this real?
This is real.
Okay, cute.
Cute. Washroom is nice, guys.
Oh, they put an extra bed also.
Yeah. We have got a TV, fridge.
तो कहाँ है balcony?
There's no balcony, bro.
ये तो बस
Hey Gabel, hey to Belgium. It's not that big. Oh, it's small.
oh no it's good though
It's nice.
oh my god कौन सा oh my god night city बोलता और clear लग रहा है पास पूछ दिख गया
Wait.
oh my god can we swim now
Oh yeah.
we need synthetic swimwear to swim
Yeah, we have to go shop for some time. Pool
नहीं, वही तो we have
pool तो
only
बंद नहीं होना
shorts and
चाहिए.
t-shirt.
Oh yeah, I'm loving
Like
those
रात को
trees.
जा सकते हैं
I am
क्या?
loving those
Synthetic वाला?
trees.
Even में.
I'm loving those
हाँ,
trees.
workout
It's giving
Workout
Thailand. Guys, that's the pool. We are gonna go swim there after we get some swimwear, I guess. The pool is also so cute. And the night view is very good. Guys, it's like the place is not that big, but it's comfy and अच्छा है.
chappals and all and keep it here
Yeah, okay. Let's not.
क्योंकि पूरा
हाँ,
गंदा
हाँ.
हो जाए साफ है ना ये
ठीक है. Wow, I like it. It's small and cute.
but it's not too small
I mean, enough for 3 people. Guys, let's start changing up. Guys, come together. So, all the 3 of us are wearing skirts tonight.
कहाँ है स्कर्ट दिखाई दे नहीं रहा
चलो, outfit check. Riza, outfit check. हाँ, outfit check. Isn't the place so lovely, guys?
definitely
Nian, what do you feel looking at this place? बोलो क्या बता रहा था तुम आगे?
एक BL ड्रामा का सेट है
Thank you. Yeah, this is chicken and lemon sauce something. जो 4 star था. Oh. Mashiso. Looks mashiso.
Mashiso boyo
Mashiso boyo. Seafood chicken rice कुछ ऐसा था. And this is what spaghetti, I don't know, but yeah.
what did you say about the spaghetti please tell us also
I was saying कि this is spaghetti but direct local taste है. क्या बोलते हैं ना एक चिकन में डालते हैं ना हम लोग ने इसके लिए बॉइल्ड चिकन में that गुटी वाला.
they laugh for you
Why?
टमाटर नहीं है चेरी टमाटर है ना
छोटा हो गया. ये तो मेरा आंसर था. ये तो मेरा साइड चला गया. We are at the 7-Eleven store right now.
पिएगा ये काफी पिएगा यार अच्छी
Oh. What a big Yakult.
हाँ वो तो
We have here Sophie Kuromi wala. Bapre.
oh my god this looks so good cheesy bar
Guys, let's take 2-3 now.
yeah हमको तो बहुत ज़्यादा खाने
हमको भी खाना खाने वाले हैं. Guys, isn't this Dora cake? ये तो Dora cake लग रहा है. Must try. Not even sure if it's Dora cake, but it does look like it. And guys, I want to try this also. Soft cake.
वो कौन सा याद है स्ट्रीट में है
Wait.
7-Eleven
Jugaad, because I don't
रिकॉर्ड
have
करना है
clips. Hi Riza. Hi vlog. Hi Vogue.
I said
हम बोल रहे
looks fine right
See.
ना
Cute. Reuse shop. Guys, this is a Japanese thrift shop. I'm so excited. Must visit. Yeah, must visit. I hope it's good. That YSL bag is so cute. Oh my god. Ah, this bag is so cute. This Prada bag. Oh my, this is so pretty.
Either you buy something dumb or you don't get anything.
I don't see any tops which I wanted to buy, so I guess we have to. Let's go. But good stop. But good stop. I'm glad I came here.
मतलब ऐसे ही
कि देखने मिल गया.
सोच के आना पड़ेगा.
Here at Mr. DIY now, and look at this. Ayu, Ming, इसको देखो ना. So
नहीं हो
cute.
4 किलो का बच्चा है.
प्यारा है. इसको तो देखो. So cute. आजा. Bro, Thailand को Uber इतना sexy क्यों है? Like it's so hot, the Ubers, and it's so clean too. India could never. With the cabs at least.
Seriously.
नहीं, रुको. हाँ वापस बोलो. Where is the washroom?
You num पता नहीं.
Hongnam UT9. I'll take this one.
Chai.
No, Awani.
हाँ आवन.
Very delicious, so we have to learn.
Alloy हमको तो ये पता है. Alloy मगमच्छा ये तो हम इतना ही मौका
Aroy
देख
Mag.
चुके हैं.
Aroy Mag ना.
Alloy बोलता है. Alloy.
Alloy.
It's like D R जो L और D R जो like L R और D mixed है.
Aroy.
You are Philippine?
No, we're from India.
India. Oh. Why your face look not look like
Oh,
India?
because in India,
Yeah.
this other region,
Oh, okay.
a lot of people look
I
like
know.
this. Yes.
So, you are north of India?
Northeast.
Northeast India.
Northeast. Okay.
Yes. How do you
Perfect.
know?
I've been Delhi 5 times.
Wow.
Delhi.
Delhi 5 times. I have a partner in Delhi.
Wow, small world.
I wonder because your pronunciation look like mixed India and Southeast Asia, Philippines a little bit.
Mix, right?
Mix, yeah.
Trying to learn Thai.
Try to learn Thai.
What is sorry? Khortot.
ขอโทษ
Khortot.
Oh, yeah.
ขอโทษ Do we have to add ka in
ขอโทษ
with ขอโทษ
We Khotot.
Yeah.
With
Khotot
you
ka.
have to add ka.
I
Khotot
understand.
ka.
Khotot ka. Khotot ka is a lady.
Oh, we
Khotot
have to say.
Krab is the man.
Oh.
So we add ka, right?
Yeah, we add.
You want to stay in Thailand? That's why you learning
No.
Travel.
a little bit. Oh, travel.
We will come more.
We will come more. We like it.
Yeah, yeah.
we like Thailand जो तक Indian accent है ना मतलब.
Except for the India, like you like it. This, okay. India 100%. Yeah.
Indian. I am Indian 100%.
My pen die.
My pen right. Yeah.
My pen right.
You're welcome. This my pen right.
So this is minced pork with an egg on top. And this is somtang, some sort of pork somtang.
Papaya salad with pork. That's green tea, watermelon smoothie, and mango smoothie. Let's begin. Cheers, guys. Cheers. क्या था ये जगह का नाम? क्या था ये रेस्टोरेंट का नाम? सबाई जाए. सबाई जाए. बोलो 너무 맛있어 बोलो.
너무 맛있어. 아직 안 먹었는데.
Hmm?
아직 맛도 안 나는데.
Which is
She's saying कि अभी तक taste भी नहीं है.
oh. But the juice is really good. The smoothie.
Complex type.
Shiro, so cute. Oh, so big, guys. The Miniso. Sumya. Hello. Aya.
क्या करना है ये क्रिकेट ये वाला हाँ
So cute.
स्पीच लूँगा जो बहुत दिन बाद हम देखेंगे
इतना ही
रीज़ा को बुलाओ इसके
इतना
हैरी
ही
पॉटर
बड़ा है. वही तो.
ची आई एम रेवेनक्लो
Ravenclaw. Ravenclaw. ये क्या Ravenclaw?
This is my house.
Even I am Ravenclaw. Yeah, Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff.
इसका smile जो automatic हो गया. So clean and starting with. I'm so scared for the phone and I'm so scared.
We took more than 10k steps, like all of us. I took 11k. She took 10.
You didn't
10
take
plus.
11K.
11. Oh, you were 11. Oh, she was 10k to 10k 200 something, and I was 10k 800 or 700, and this German was 11k. I don't know what she was doing. And this is how tired you should be when you go around a new city. How tired are you?
Like limping. I'm literally limping, guys. My feet fucking hurts.
कुछ हो गया ना?
Crazy.
क्या बोलता था इसको
Ooh, guys, see what I got.
हाँ रबाब देगा
Rabab Tenga. Guys, Indian pomelo.
अपना phone charge कर.
I want to have this so bad. Delhi में नहीं मिलता है. But then I don't have. We don't have
we don't need a phone ना
chili and salt to have with this. Namak, mircha, and red chili powder would have been so good, but we don't have that. Let's see if we can find something spicy to have with this.
yeah I won't carry it
and हमको लगता है हम तो मेरा लोकल आत्मा को खुशी करा रहे. Also guys, I got this. See, ये तो घर में नहीं खाते क्या? Isn't this local लीची है? Jamin was saying क्या है ये?
this is Long An or is it not Long An
Long An. I don't know about Long An, but isn't this local
ये लेकिन अरुणाचल
लीची?
में मिलता है आजकल. हम रिसेंटली घर में मेरा
Yeah.
रो रहा था ना क्या
ये तो दिल्ली में तो नहीं दिखते क्या?
ये पॉइंट में काला है, ये पॉइंट में दर्द दे रहा है.
Damn. देख पाँव काला हो गया क्या तेरा?
नहीं पाँव काला नहीं हो गया.
सोर हो गया था
We were planning to swim, but we didn't get the swimming suit, and also swimming pool भी बंद हो गया. So instead we are going to 7-Eleven to buy some stuff now.
Taste testing.
तो मैंने ये खोल दिए.
Say ना taste testing.
Taste testing?
Taste
हाँ,
testing.
इसका तो taste तो पता ही है.
Oh.
But having this after a
But
long
like
time.
in Thailand.
In Thailand.
Yes.
Aesthetic videos, guys. Only nails and lips, mouth.
Actually, your lips are aesthetic. Oh yeah.
I'm eating something. That's right.
नहीं Thailand lips they are aesthetic. नहीं show rub thing on.
लीची जैसे ही है, but
Thing on lemon. So good ना. I literally down the entire thing.
it's not that cold, so it's not that yummy. Let's have it later. Fridge में रखने का बाद. This
Down
was
कर दिया
the
इसको.
Another night in Bangkok.
Vlog it the way.
We are here. TT Cafe. Second floor.
Streets of Bangkok.
जब दूर जाते थे
Someone is being thorough fun right now.
I get very enthusiastic right now in the streets of Bangkok. We're going to Aina discovered Sanga Kimbap in this 7-Eleven. She has been dying to try those food here. Yeah. Introduce which one is it?
Kanri Thai,
I've got
bro.
no idea, yeah.
Kanri Thai.
This one looks more masaledar than this one. And it's 30 baht, so I think, yeah.
Let's take both.
Let's take both, let's take 3 of them. All the 3 of them, let's buy, no guys? Different flavors.
Okay, fine. Chalo. Okay.
So these are the options we have
We have some rice, we have some black sticky rice as well. And we have some
for
sausages.
they're just like for microwave food, right?
These are black,
Okay.
black sausages. These are
Bro.
These are, yes, the description.
These are
ये black rice है and white rice.
ये भी ले लो, चलो.
Wait, what is this?
Some sandwich. No, I have trauma from sandwich, bro.
No, but then this is like strawberry.
Guys, this is like wo the thing we get in sushi, no?
It's not focusing. Focus. Okay, focus.
हाँ,
ये ले लो. जाओ, guys.
this is the thing we get in sushi. Should we get this?
Yeah, get it.
No.
Yeah.
Bro, that's just uni. No, don't get it.
Get it?
Yeah, get this.
How did you recognize
Let's
that?
buy some. अरे हमको याद.
We know,
Hold
you
on,
don't
please.
know.
I'm not good with like recording.
Okay, just stop it.
Girl, should we take?
How do I stop it?
They just
The red dot.
Cheetos, I don't know which flavor this is, but this was 3 baht, and then we have tried the other.
This was 20 baht, 20 baht.
Take this.
This was Alia baht or 20 baht.
Yes.
So we have
That was a joke, guys.
no,
No, not yours. Hers.
no more water, more water in the morning.
We have enough.
More snacks.
Take this. Hold this. 25
You
plus.
want to try hot chili style?
Anything Thai, bro. Chalo.
This looks Thai, right?
चलो
This is 20 baht.
yeah oh my god wait guys ये सब तो new flavor है तो
So this one I picked because it seemed like you guys would like it, hot chili flavor.
ए देखो guys
Can you hold this one
guys
water bottle?
guys let's have this oh my god whoever dropped the bottle on me I swear
No, because my phone.
रिजा जर्मन ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है क्या थोड़ा मसालेदार होगा ना
नहीं.
ठीक है I'll get it
She, हम लोग के साथ तो खाना पड़ेगा.
वही हम लोग सब लोग एक साथ ही खाएंगे.
so that's my चाल
I'll get it. She said.
What about this?
ये वाला
No, this is sour cream and onion, which we get in India also. You only want Sanga Kimbap. You don't want anything else.
wait we're not even gonna eat the gobi I swear it's enough guys Grab driver has arrived hold on
Yeah.
No, stop the recording. Stop the recording.
No.
No, stop the recording.
Give me the coin.
No, grab the sunscreen. Grab the sunscreen.
I'll grab it. I'm gonna go grab the sunscreen.
eggs for the three
Move.
of
I'm gonna grab it.
3 eggs for the 3 of us
Oh wait, they actually take it. Chalo. Go. You guys go to the counter. I'll get the cream. This is the sunscreen that we've decided to get. Oh my god, why isn't it focusing?
Okay. It's okay.
guys baked stuff तो हम लोग और try करने में खाना what about that
We'll try some other time. So our Grab has arrived, so we don't have much time to try because it's late night right now. So we'll just get whatever we have got already.
Guys, pay, bro. Shut up and pay.
exactly
Shut up and pay.
Payment card.
let's try one
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, Visa.
नहीं हो रहा ना?
Hello.
no is it happening
Hello.
not happening
It's fine. Just pay cash. Go.
Okay, can you come in? We are inside
It's happening.
7-Eleven.
it's done payment done not done please
Yeah, inside 7-Eleven, paying right now. We will come outside.
no password so done
Oh wow.
Okay, outside right now. Okay.
Maybe that person was weird. Come. You guys go first.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's sit together. Yeah, going out. It's only 5 minutes away from here.
Yeah. Oh, I think the traffic is not there then.
Yeah, because
No, because this place is closed, bro. It's in Thonglo.
no, and it's also because there's no traffic,
No,
and
before
also
it was 8 minutes. Now it's only 5 minutes.
and also we don't have to go all the way around to come here. That's why it's
also
like
be
only 5.
around. You get it right. Also be around.
She's teasing me yet again.
And no highway, bro.
Yeah, no, I mean.
Oh, that's why neighborhood se ja raha na.
Ha, that's why I chose this at the end.
As if I chose it at the end. Okay.
Yo, because before this I was checking Reddit.
No, as if till the last moment you went contemplating about this place.
Yeah. But then at the end I was like,
No,
let's.
no, at the end because we had no other option.
We had lots of options.
But we already had we had booked the
Yeah.
grad.
That's true.
Yeah.
So basically, our Airbnb is in a good location.
Take. Hannah, your coin. Give me.
Go for.
Wait, Lalchi Buriya, she kept your coin. There we go.
Spin.
From the left side.
Wow.
Who bought eggs? Who the fuck bought eggs?
No, first she selected it, okay, and I was like, oh my god, no, we don't need. But then I was like, wait, it's just protein, we can have it, and it's already boiled.
No, don't do that.
No, I swear,
Boiled.
trust me, guys. Yeah, just trust me.
Okay, you have it. Okay, I'm not gonna have it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have it.
Yeah, you.
You have it right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have it in the morning.
No, she has to have it right now.
No, like the other ones, if it's like boiled. already.
Other one's the other one. You're gonna only have one piece.
Okay. Only one. I have.
I have.
Super shell khade hum. Salted egg.
See, why are you doing like that, Uncle Jise?
No, you need to have it with the. Oh, it's bad without the.
Guys,
But it's cooked.
it's cooked, but it's
Really eggy.
ये तो सड़िया नहीं है. It doesn't smell good. It's like dog food.
she said dog food.
पूरा क्यों खा दिया?
No. You're okay. Everyone खाया Bruh. 3-4 महीने का नमक है क्या इसमें? ये तो बहुत ही salty है. We can't have this early in the morning.
Early in the morning?
तेरा first review नकली
No,
था.
early in the morning.
Second review असली है.
You can't have it alone. You need to have it with something. Like with lamyan.
This is too salty. Fake
Mm.
do.
हाँ, फेंक दो.